This video is intended for Riverside Mountain Rescue Unit personnel only. It shows specifically how we pass knots using our Aztek system. It is for reference only, and no one should ever attempt rescue work unless properly trained. My home system consists of a beer keg weighing about 100 pounds that goes to a high point on my balcony, down to a redirecting pulley. My knot is a triple fisherman's, and then to my Petzl ID as my main progress capture and lowering device. It is similar to the clutch and the MPD in its use and function. The Aztek consists of two double pulleys, 25 feet of 8mm cord, and a 6mm prusik. The prusik is self-minding and does not allow the rope to feed through unless you manually release the prusik, passing a knot on a raise. I first attach a prusik and a pulley to rig up a 3-to-1 haul system. Raising the load until the knot is about 1 inch from the main progress capture device. It is now time to use the Aztek to pass the knot. If I had multiple people here, I would keep one person always holding on to the main haul line. As I do not, I set the brake on the Petzl ID to ensure added safety. Add another prusik approximately 4 to 5 feet from the main progress capture device. Extend the Aztek out from the main bear claw to the prusik. Ensure all carabiners are locked. You are now transfer the weight from the main line to the Aztek. If it was on a dual tension system, both sides would be hauling. Continue hauling until there is enough slack in the main line that you can remove it from your main progress capture device and pass the knot. Normally, someone would be holding on to the Aztek line as a safety precaution, but as I am alone, I will tie a figure 8 and lock it off to the main anchor point. Once the knot has been passed, I can then simply pull on the 3-to-1 haul system to transfer the load back onto the main device. Once the load has been transferred, I can remove the Aztek and prusik and continue with the raise. Passing a knot on a lower. When lowering a load with a knot on the rope, you'll want to stop the knot about 2 feet from the main capture device. This will ensure enough working rope to pass the knot. Once again, I will lock off my Petzl ID and attach my prusik. This time only about a foot from the main device. Shorten the Aztek up and attach it from the bear claw to the prusik. Ensure that the prusik is biting the rope. And release the main line from the main progress capture device, in this case the Petzl ID. This will transfer the load from the main device over to the Aztek. With someone holding the Aztek line, or it being tied and locked off, you can now remove the rope from the main device and pass the knot. Once the knot is passed, take in all the slack on the main line and either hold the rope or lock the device off to ensure no more rope will feed through. You can now slowly release the Aztek to transfer the load back onto the main device. If on a dual tension system, this lowering will happen with both lines. Once the main device is weighted and locked off, you can remove the Aztek and the prusik and continue with the lower.
Thanks again for your time, and remember to train, 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 and practice, practice, practice. Correct repetition will engrave this into your brain.